Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Christina and today's cocktail, quarantine cocktail, is gonna be an Aperol Spritzer. Our wine glass here, we're gonna add 2 ounces, oh shit. We're gonna add 2 ounces of Aperol. We got 1 ounce of soda water. And 3 ounces so I mean, Prosecco is kind of hard to measure out. We'll go ahead and try it for this video's sake. Now let's try it. This is what your drink should look like. That is perfect. See, I'm a big fan. Other people might not like the way it tastes, but I think it's really good. So give it a try next time you see it on a cocktail list or at a bar or something. Just try it.